Hello and good morning, everyone!
Hey guys, welcome back to the Nat and Max household. How's everyone's quarantine life doing?
As we all know, everything is still on lockdown mode. The malls are closed, the stores are closed, even the parks are closed, and restaurants, they only take takeouts.
So that being said, that we can't really go outdoors and explore, so we started a little bit of a project that we want to share with you guys. A project that will bring the outdoors to our home.
We've always had this spacious balcony at our place, and we've never used it as much as we wanted to.
So that's why this week we did something about it.
So this week, we went shopping online for patio decorations and furnitures. Good thing IKEA is still in business.
It's a little challenging if you're shopping online because you can't physically see the product, so you'd have to do some work on actually measuring your space and comparing the measurements of the product on the description, and I think we just did about that.
Given the situation right now, we didn't expect that the IKEA's delivery is the next day. Kudos IKEA for one-day delivery.
So without further ado, shall we give a small haul of everything that we bought?
Let's do the haul.
So here are all the stuff that we bought. We got some furnitures over here. On to the right, we got the IKEA deck tiles for our flooring. These are the dark gray. We got 6 pack of them, and each pack have 9 tiles in them. Our plan is to have 2/3 of our balcony as deck tiles, and the remaining 1/3 is for the garden, which we're gonna be putting artificial grass. So for the artificial grass, we got 3 packs, which are the same amount, 9 pieces for each pack. Also, we got a 3-pack of privacy screen from IKEA because right now our balcony is all glass and we wanted to make it a little bit more private.
Moving on to the furniture, we bought one set of a Plaro dining set, which contains 2 chairs and a table. The table is very interesting because it's foldable to maximize the space. The bigger box is meant for a storage, but it's dual purpose. You could also use it as a bench.
Where should we start?
I think we should start off by putting the privacy screen so people won't see us.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan.
Ta-da! Instructions.
We got some rope. Tie the rope onto the railings and try to cover as much railing as we can. Looks pretty private, right? So we made sure that there's no gaps in between, making sure that the ropes are very tight. And I think Max did a great job of making sure that the excess rope is nice and tight. So, what's next?
Let's start with the garden tiles.
So we are gonna unpack this garden tile, the artificial grass. You wanna do the honors?
I got the scissors! Ribbon cutting.
Ribbon cutting. I think you should open everything.
Yes! I got one box!
Ooh. The grass is a little bit flattened because of the box, but should be nice once we put it in, right?
I wonder how easy it is to put. Is it easy? Is it hard? It's our first time!
What I liked about it is because when somehow this gets wet, the water just falls underneath and it's just not gonna retain any water, right?
And we don't need to water it because it's artificial!
There you go. Nice greenery.
There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's very easy. How's the grass? Someone's loving the grass.
Now that we have our grass ready, we're gonna work on the actual deck tiles. But one suggestion for you guys is, if you guys are laying out some artificial grass like this, I would suggest using a small hammer or anything that you could like smash your way through it, because I was using just my bare hands and it hurts.
Let's unbox the tiles!
So I think this is the same like mechanism as the grass one, right? So it's kind of like the same Lego type, which I would probably need my hammer again.
So I laid out the tiles and Nat is just pressing them down. did it!
The last piece!
The last piece!
My palms hurt a little bit. Look at that.
Ah, it's so dirty.
It's so dirty and swelly.
Next, time to put our planter box.
This one we bought from Costco this morning. This is a big planter box because we were thinking that maybe we could do some vegetables for our garden. This is a fun little project that we're gonna be doing. We should probably set aside the pots and we can build the planter box.
Unboxing.
I think this might be the actual legs of the thing.
It's like a treasure box thing.
So here's the legs. This is the part where the water is gonna flow. Cover it up.
There's a sprout. Perfect fit.
It's nice because there's no roof at the very top here. The plants would get extra sunlight and extra water if it's raining. We also bought this nice yucca tree to complement the patio. This pot is just temporary. We just haven't bought any permanent pots just yet because we're trying to figure out the design.
Someone decided to change the tiles. I thought we're done.
We're gonna try something different. So we decided to switch that a little bit just so when you come out, instead of stepping on the grass, you're gonna be stepping on these tiles.
Hi guys, it's the next day.
So for today, we are gonna finish up the furnitures. We're gonna be working on two types of furniture today, which is the storage bench and the dining set for our patio. We are also gonna be working on the furniture and building it here in our kitchen. And as they get built, we're gonna be putting them outside into the patio.
Let's get started.
Let's go! We've already categorized these boxes. This is the chest storage. These two boxes right here are the chairs, and that one is the main table. We're gonna be working on the storage bench first. So it's nice brown wood stain furnish.
I wonder what part of the bench this is. Here's the instructions.
So we're just slowly laying out all the pieces here. I think these are the legs. These are the main parts. And there's more stuff in here.
We're going to sort them out so it's easier. Next step, put the other 3 chocolate bars.
Look at that. Lays out nicely. IKEA really has a nice design on their furniture. There you go.
The storage.
So underneath it's a storage, but you can put pillows here or a cushion and it'll act as a bench.
We did it!
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life.
So for the next furniture, we are going to be building out the dining set, starting with the table. Because we wanted to build out the big one first so we have enough space here as we bring it out.
Let's get started.
Instructions! I'm terribly excited for this one because for this furniture, we are going to be using a Phillips screw and a screwdriver, so the plus and minus. And instead of using like the regular manual Phillips screw and screwdriver, we can now use this. So this is a hand drill, an electronic hand drill that we've bought from the first IKEA building video that we have, but we've never actually used it until now. So I think that's done. That's done for the table. I think we can agree that this might be the hardest furniture that we've built today.
Yeah, there's a lot of screws. Good thing we have that drill.
It saved us a lot of man hours.
Now we are down to our final pieces. The chairs!
Instructions. So I think this chair can't be more easier because there's only 2 pieces. These are the legs and this is the seat.
That was so fast. I think we only built it for 2 minutes.
You want to actually sit on it and test it?
Yes. Ooh.
Is it comfy? Do we need a cushion down there?
Yes, you need a cushion. Second chair done.
Stay. It's pretty sturdy. Side. Time to eat.
Let's eat.
How was your breakfast?
It's good. Breakfast is good. I feel like we're eating in a restaurant.
Yeah, right? Like we're somewhere outdoors, but we're in the safety of our own home. So I think we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys for joining us here in this mini project that we have for our balcony.
It's definitely not complete yet. We need to purchase more stones, decor, and some plants. If you guys are new here, we'd love to keep you around. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you in our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye!